So a common myth in medical device manufacturing is that line transfers are easy. So Nissha Medical Technologies have been working with our outside medical device partners for over 30 years with design and manufacturing services to help bring devices and help continue to bring devices to market in a cost-effective manner. Three common pitfalls that we see with line transfers were an over-reliance on tribal knowledge and outdated process, testing and validation criteria, or the lack thereof of testing and validation criteria, and finally, the issues around supply chain management. So a common pitfall is trusting in tribal knowledge and outdated processes. Many products that are eligible for line transfer from a medical device company's perspective have been in manufacturing for a number of years. As such, traditional design history files are not in place, and a lot of the considerations about how to manufacture these devices are stuck with the engineers and manufacturing personnel at the original manufacturing location. Another common misconception is testing and validation criteria. A traditional lift and shift is not something as simple as making a production facility from one place and moving production to another facility. There are common issues with testing and validation criteria that need to be well thought out and deliberately discussed at the beginning of a project to make sure that through the line transfer, those testing and validation criteria are implemented effectively. And that really helps to speed up the line transfer. Finally, supply chain management. In many traditional products that have been manufactured in other locations, considerations like single source vendors and basic supply chain management have not always been considered. As those products are moved from one facility to another, a lot of those vulnerabilities in the supply chain become discovered. Contact Nissha Medical Technologies to learn more about how our extensive experience can help transfer your next product.